On the southern edge of the Kalahari Desert, in South Africa's vast and sparsely populated Northern Cape province, there is a large opening in the sedimentary rock of the Kuruman Hills. About 2 million years ago, a member of a hominin species named Homo Erectus, meaning upright man, first walked through that opening. Homo erectus was maybe the first hominin species that looked and acted, well, human. Actually, it can be hard to see a recreation of a Homo erectus and not experience the uncanny valley effect, a reaction to things that look human, without quite being human. The average Homo erectus had a brain about 2.5 times bigger than that of a chimpanzee, or about 3/4 the size of our brain. Individuals stood between 4'9" and 6'1", and they weighed between 88 and 150 pounds. They were slender, with proportions not unlike those of many modern humans, and they walked a lot like we do. Homo erectus communities also did things that seemed decidedly human. They forged symmetrical hand axes and cleavers, tools more useful and more difficult to create than anything hominins had made before. They lived in groups and appeared to have cared for their elderly and injured. And about 1 million years after they entered that opening in the Kuruman Hills, one group of Homo erectus seems to have taken one of the great leaps in hominin history. A leap that would let our ancestors cope with climate change as they never had before. It's why the opening is now called Wonderwork Cave, meaning the Cave of Miracles.